Welcome to Ruckus, Mayhem, and Madness TV, where we strive to motivate. And if you're watching this, you're seeing what CJ on 32s did to his Trackhawk. Why he do that stupid shit to his Trackhawk? What made him do that? It's your boy Big Zah, and today I'm gonna be doing a reaction on CJ on 32's new Trackhawk. Oh my God! Let's jump right into the video.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. We might. Yeah, it's a truck.
Oh my God!
All right.
Hold on.
Hold
on. We gotta pause that for a second. Cause I want you to see what's going on. I want you to see the details of how everything looking. Look at the color of that Trackhawk. That Trackhawk looked like a slushy from out the middle of the mall at the concession stand. That's that blue raspberry slushy from out the middle of the mall. I know what it looked like. I know that's what he did. He went to PC and told PC, hey, PC, I just went to the mall. I know what color I want that Trackhawk to be. I just bought a slushy. I'm going to send you a picture of it. Corey done sent PC a picture of his slushy that he had from in the mall and sent it to PC and told him, I want everything painted that. Look what's going on. Look at the details.
I'm shooting this in 4K. Oh my God.
God. Hold on. Let's stop it right there. Let's stop it right there. Did you see what was going on? Do you see what is going on? He got the hood fiberglass clear look through of the supercharger, so you can see down through the hood and see the supercharger. Oh my God. Let's play.
Now we ain't see it in the sun yet, but look, these pieces is all light. It might look the same, but it ain't. Yeah. But they think like
that shit ridiculous.
Like, look, it's different.
Do you understand ridiculous? That shit ridiculous.
Here.
Hold on. Do you see the grill? He done went to the dentist. Now I don't know if he went out of the country or he stayed in the US. I think he went to Dr. Tierra. Yeah, he went to Dr. Tierra on the grill. It's a Trackhawk in the grill, and I'm pretty sure it light up. Let's keep watching.
Oh my God. Hold on, look at the details though. We're going into details on this one. That boy tough. Y'all can see the lighter colors. It ain't hard. Right here. I see them. Bro, you went crazy on this one. And this ain't it.
Let me pause that one more again. Look at that side profile. Do you see the pearl hitting out that paint? That pearl remind me of my grandma. Why? Because her name was Pearline, and I see the pearl in it. He just made flashback to my childhood. He just brought back childhood trauma because I miss my grandma. I miss my grandma Pearline. He got pearl in the paint hitting like that. Oh my God, CJ, why you do that stupid shit like that, CJ? Oh God.
This is not it, guys. This is just part one of the build. So we got part two coming, and if I take it to the truck fest, I might just keep it down there and take it straight to the interior shop, the JR's. Oh, okay, it's gonna be there. Yeah. Oh my. The wheels ain't making it in time, but guess what? I got two sets of fire ass painted wheels though. See the light color? See one of the details. Look at the screws. The screws got the light color.
See the details of what's going on. This ain't it. This been it. Do you see the color matching on everything?
When you talk about details, don't ask them no pricing. It ain't about the pricing, it's the work. Look at the work.
You gotta have that money on.
The work, y'all see the details down there? Of course. I gotta show them the details though. You know I know. Even the pipes? Lighter. Oh yeah, when we get there. Yeah, hold up. Lighter. Up there. Hold on, we getting there.
Oh my God.
Look at them pipes.
Hold on. He got the pipes. The same color as the paint. The pipes, the caliper of the rim, of the brake pad. Oh my God. With the rim, everything color matching.
They lighter. Yeah, they flipping. And a pearl skipped out. Look at the detail on the Trackhawk. The Jeep, look at the Jeep, it's lighter. Look at that roof. Oh my.
The roof, he got alopecia at the top. He got alopecia at the top. He got a sunroof at the top.
Right here. I did the breakup with one. I did the rose gold breakup, but now I went all colored match. Because I done everything already with the Trackhawks. So I had to come color match. Shit.
You see how everything lined up, how everything just flow all together. It's just flowing. It's swaying. Everything matching up. The front of the grill, all that shit looks so aggressive, so neat looking. Everything color matching. You see the headlights. Oh man, let's keep watching.
That bitch nasty. What you think, Jerry? You like that one? Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks just like that one you got in the garage.
Ooh, wait till they get side by side though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough. Man, I just like this hood and the lights. Just everything just flow. That bitch looks so aggressive. Look at this.
Told y'all,
bro.
everything flow.
That shit look real aggressive.
Look
PC,
how they look. Good God.
who got money to throw away? You?
See, and the thing is, what y'all ain't understand, Corey gonna keep a hit coming. Corey gonna drop a hit every time. He been doing this. I gotta give him his flowers. Corey, you been dropping hits now. You been doing your thing. I gotta give it to you. This shit right here, stupid. This stupid. Why you go so special ed on them like that, Corey?
Tender.
All the details matter. Everything been touched. Look at that.
Everything touched. Gotta show y'all the details, man. I don't think we was waiting on this one that long. He painted this one pretty fast. Get shit in and out, in and out, in and out, bruh. Show y'all under the hood with the lights on. Light switch right here, bam. Gotta get the inside done though. That's where this one's lacking at.
Oh my
color.
God. Hold on. We gonna get to it. I'm gonna let him pop that hood. Good God.
Oh yeah. We ain't put the thing on here to hold it up.
See, what you gotta understand, it's all about the details. He got the supercharger lid the same color as the paint. I don't think you really understand. He cut a roof. Hold on. He cut a hole in the hood. He cut a hole in the hood just so y'all could see the supercharger. I'm just trying to show y'all the ruckus, mayhem, and madness that he causing and how to reach for the stars, the solar system to pull it down. Oh my God.
This motherfucker lace too. This motor built. Green pulleys. Look at the details in that leg, mate.
That shit ridiculous. Good God. Corey. See, I'm gonna call you Corey. I'm gonna call you what your mama call you when you do wrong. Corey, you know you done wrong. Corey, why you doing wrong like this, Corey? Corey, why you wanna do wrong like this? Why you wanna go do wrong? He got the whitener, he got teeth whitener. He done went to the dentist, he done went to Dr. Tierra on the grill, and he got the lights in the grill that light up the whiten the teeth. Oh my God. Y'all see what's going on? Then he got the grill at the bottom that light up with the little demon red. You see the lights?
I don't think this one, man. Wait, oh no, this one. That one to the bottom.
Then he got the lights. He got the lights that do the multicolor. And he got it's the color of the paint that's in the lights too.
Yeah, I gotta do the interior. I'm gonna hit up JR tomorrow and see what they talking about, man. Man, I don't even know which one of these motherfuckers changed the color. PCO ass is fired. It probably ain't got the battery in there. I don't think it got the battery in there. It got the battery in there? Oh no, is that it?
Yeah, that's it. There you go.
I was trying to make
Then
oh, there
Good God! That's why, listen, that's why I'm gonna call him Corey, because I'm calling him shit his mama call him when he doing wrong. Corey, you know you done wrong. Corey, why you going and breaking the internet like this? Trackhawk, 26-inch twisted, Mongolian, listen. Went to the dentist. Look at the lights. The lights matching the paint. Everything matching. Everything color coordinating. Oh my God.
Yeah, right there. That's what we.
That color the truck right there.
Yeah, that's what we trying to have on this pullout. This the Tierra one, right? Man, that motherfuckers.
Yeah.
It was just on right here. Yeah. I couldn't change the color.
I tried to change the color last time, but they don't want to change
It wouldn't change. I don't even know. Did they add a RGB to this one?
it. No, it didn't look like it.
Or they add one color? Because if they did, they done hooked it up.
Good God.
That means one color, but it's not changing.
Alright, it's cool. It's okay. As long as these top ones working and we got a full light on this, on the top Trackhawk. What grill you put in my car? What's that, a 32 gang grill?
Yeah, just put it up.
Yeah.
Nah, see, the thing is, what I done come to realize and understand, CJ on 32s and PC, they like the Bulls back in the 90s. Yeah. CJ on 32s like Mike, number 45 in PC like Scotty. Yeah, like they really going out there dunking on boys, really hooping on them real quick. Look what's going on. You see the paint?
Damn.
You see what's going on?
Had to fire his ass, bro.
Good God. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because when I drop these videos and it's showing y'all the reaction
the
to
hell
these
is
people
that,
cars that's being built, y'all can see.
Man,
Oh
that shit
my
messed up the whole
God.
paint job.